Not all murmurs are innocent. Let's break it down for your boards. First, we have systolic murmurs, which occur between S1 and S2. The big three include aortic stenosis, characterized by a harsh crescendo-decrescendo sound that radiates to the carotids. Then there's mitral regurgitation, a holosystolic and blowing murmur that radiates to the axilla. Don't forget about mitral valve prolapse, which presents as a late systolic murmur with a midsystolic click that occurs earlier with Valsalva. Next, diastolic murmurs occurring between S2 and S1 are almost always pathological. Take aortic regurgitation, for instance. It's an early diastolic decrescendo murmur best heard when leaning forward. Mitral stenosis offers a low-pitched, rumbling sound best detected at the apex with a bell. Now, on to grading. Using a scale of 1 to 6, grades 1 and 2 are soft, with no thrill. Grade 3 is loud, still without a thrill, while grade 4 presents a thrill. Grades 5 and 6 can be heard with the stethoscope partially or fully off the chest. Remember, systolic murmurs increase with decreased preload in conditions like hypertrophic cardiomyopathy and mitral valve prolapse, while the rest decrease. And if you hear a continuous murmur, think about patent ductus arteriosus. It's machine-like and heard in the left infraclavicular area. Finally, for your boards, keep this in mind. A diastolic murmur is pathological until proven otherwise.